Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buggy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions than a toddler in a candy store. Today, we're going head-to-head with two heavyweights in the UPS ring, the APC UPS 850VA and the GOLDENMATE 1000VA. One promises to keep your electronics safe during a power outage, while the other, well, let's just say it's got more volts than your average dad joke. So, let's dive into the electrifying world of battery backups and see which one deserves a spot in your home office or gaming den. Let's talk about the price. The APC is going for a cool $134, while the GOLDENMATE is strutting its stuff at $179. Reviewers of the APC have praised it for being cost-effective and reliable, making it a top-tier choice for home or office environments. In contrast, the GOLDENMATE, while more expensive, is compared favorably to APC by users who appreciate its reliability during power outages. So, the choice is yours. Are you willing to pay a little extra for the golden touch? Or are you more of a why spend more when you can save kind of person? Next up is power output. The APC offers 850VA and 450W, which is sufficient for keeping your Wi-Fi alive and a small espresso machine. Reviewers have noted that it's efficient and reliable, especially for basic needs. On the other hand, the GOLDENMATE flaunts a whopping 1000VA and 800W, enough to keep an entire workstation running smoothly. Users have reported its ability to keep a 300W setup running for up to 40 minutes, showcasing its power. If you're planning on powering your gaming rig and your midnight snacks, GOLDENMATE might just be your bestie. Now let's talk about outlets. The APC has 9 outlets, 6 for battery backup and 3 with surge protection, making it a great option for multiple devices. Reviewers appreciate this social aspect, as it allows them to connect various gadgets simultaneously. Meanwhile, GOLDENMATE has 4 outlets, all pure sine wave, which ensures smooth operation but limits the number of devices you can connect. Some users have expressed disappointment in the fewer outlets, but they also appreciate the high-quality performance. So if you have a lot of gadgets, the APC is the social butterfly, while GOLDENMATE keeps it classy. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The APC has a replaceable battery, which means you'll be buying a new battery every few years, as many reviewers have pointed out. However, GOLDENMATE boasts a lifespan of over 10 years with its lithium iron phosphate battery, making it a more long-term investment. Users have mentioned that they appreciate not having to worry about battery changes frequently. So if you're in it for the long haul, GOLDENMATE is your ticket to Lazy Town. Let's wrap it up with features. The APC has 2 USB ports for charging devices, which is a nice touch for multitaskers. Reviewers find this feature handy for their everyday needs. At GOLDENMATE, it's got an intelligent LCD that provides detailed information about your power conditions, which users love as it acts like a personal assistant. However, some reviewers expressed disappointment regarding the lack of a USB interface for remote monitoring. So if you like to keep things simple, the APC is great, but if you want more information at your fingertips, GOLDENMATE stands out. Overall, the reviews highlight that the APC UPS is highly regarded for its affordability and reliability, making it a solid choice for basic needs. Users appreciate its efficiency and ease of setup. On the flip side, the GOLDENMATE UPS is praised for its powerful output and long lifespan, appealing to those who seek advanced features and performance. While it comes at a higher price, many find it worth the investment for its reliability during power outages. So, there you have it. The APC UPS is your reliable, cost-effective buddy for basic needs, while the GoldenMate is the high-tech powerhouse for those who want to go all out. If you want more bang for your buck and a long-lasting relationship, you might lean towards the GoldenMate. But if you're budget-conscious and don't mind changing batteries every now and then, the APC is ready to serve. What do you think? Which UPS would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a shocking comparison again. Until next time, keep buying smart. Because life's too short for bad purchases.